So friends, if you're using new application of Bank of Maharashtra, which is Zen Lyfe, and using this application, if you want to know how to get statement or how to download statement, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Zen Lyfe application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once the application is completely started, in order to check your bank statement, all you have to do is just simply go to account info option over here on the home page. And once you are able to see the account details, go down, and over here you get an option of mini statement. So if you want to check mini statement, you can select mini statement, but if you want to view or download statement, select the second option which says view or download statement. Now you get an option of category. So if you want statement for last month, last 3 months or 6 months or last 1 year, you can select the filter. If you want to choose a custom date, you have that option as well. Now I want statement for last 1 year. I have selected that. Simply tap on view option, or else if you want to download the statement, you have that option over here as well. So as soon as you tap on that, the statement will be downloaded and you can save the file in files application. This is for iPhone. Now if you want to if you are using an Android phone, then the downloaded file will be popped up in notification, and you can check out the PDF file from there. Now if you want statement on your email ID, you can select send to registered email ID, then you will receive the file on your email ID. For now, I'm just going to select view option. Now it might take a few minutes to basically show the transaction like this. You can apply filter if you want to. Now over here you can see this is the statement for last 1 year, and total 8 pages are there. You can just simply tap on next option to go to the next page. You can check out the credited and debited amount over here. One more thing, if you want to download statement from this page, you have the download icon. As soon as you tap on download, it will start downloading the file, and once it is downloaded, you can simply select save to file option, and the file will be saved to files application. So if I tap on save to file, I have already saved one statement over here, as you can see, but we are going to save another one. We'll replace it for now, and this time if I go to files application, you can see, you can check out the time, which is 5:17 p.m. and 5:17 p.m. This is the latest file which I have downloaded, and this is the statement. So this is how simple it is to download statement from Zen Lyfe application, which is new application of Bank of Maharashtra. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.